I need everybody, it's okay if you stream this. I want you to stream, that's fine, to our live stream, Facebook, share this. This the shit that gotta go viral. This will save the whole hood, in every hood. They purposely didn't give us this game because if we had this game starting when we was yay high, we'd be up. They need us to be the working class. They told you how to go to school, get good grades, and do what? Go to school, get good grades, and do what? Get a job. Shit, you might get lucky, get a good government job. Good MTA job. Benefits. They ain't teach us to be a legacy class. What I'm teaching y'all today, I teach the 6th graders. We could have been learning this shit. They taught us photosynthesis. Who the fuck needs that? We out here in poverty struggling. You talking about how plants evaporate in water and shit. Teach me a FICO score, goddammit. So instead of complaining about what they didn't teach us, you know what I did? Built my own school. Over 80,000 students educated. So if you don't have wealth for your family, stop complaining about what they ain't do for us. Go be intentional and create the goddamn wealth. I'm giving you the blueprint. You gotta just ask yourself, do I know this to give my heirs? Do I know it for me to build? If you don't know it, just tap in. So what we did to undercut the whole market, the whole industry, is we broke our new curriculum down into 3 paths. You can pick your path and how you want to rock with us. In our brand new curriculum, we offer 85 plus lessons. It's over 36 hours of brand new content on real estate, business, and credit that come with full quizzes, tests, and final exam. Like, you gotta actually learn the shit. This ain't no YouTube video, you think you know it. No, you gotta learn it. With this curriculum, you'll be proficient, efficient in the RBCs. Now, real estate, business, and credit. We're gonna give you an annual tuition, 2 semesters, 1 year in our school, an annual tuition to learn this online, 24-hour access, 365. We're gonna give you this for sneaker money. $197 for 1 year tuition to our school. In real life. $197, you learn everything, and I just poured out in way more. You get a wholesale course with Isaac on wholesale mastery, a credit mastery course with Will, business mastery with me, and all the components of real estate for sneaker money, cell phone money, concert money, for a whole year. I ain't say monthly payments, no. 1 tuition, a whole year, you get access to our curriculum. Now, for some of you who want to tap in a little more, you'll get all of this. Plus, you'll get weekly mentorship calls. Every single week, you'll be a part of a group mentorship call with our school and our instructors. You'll also get a certification. And with that certification, you'll be eligible for career opportunities to be a coach, mentor, and instructor in our school. You'll be eligible and pre-qualified for funding on real estate deals. We'll automatically pre-qualify you if you're certified. So if you want to come get the bag and you show me you know what you know, we can talk business. And you'll get more perks on top of this tuition. And this tuition by itself for the entire year is just $497. For weekly mentorship calls with proven experts in the business, every week you can tap in and be a part of our international student community and joint venture on deals and share opportunities you got with other students or myself. Blessing, blessing. And then for those who want to tap in on another level, we got a $997 annual tuition. You get everything I just said, and we'll give you a year of our business funding coaching. We'll coach you on how to get business funding, how to turn your LLC into a cash cow and get capital. You'll get that program with monthly mentorship calls just on business funding. And you'll get some other bonuses I keep forgetting, but you'll get that too. And you will get masterclass access for all our future lessons that we do. You'll get free access to all our future webinars and lessons within the curriculum. So everything new that I do, y'all know I'm always doing something. Y'all get free access to all that. And in both of these programs, you will get up to 60% off on our conferences, boot camps, workshops, and you'll get an alumni discount on anything that we do if you're part of our Tier 2 and Tier 3. This is what we doing to undercut the whole industry. Nobody's doing this. Nobody giving us a game in this kind of way. So where you all can tap in, I'm going to give you what y'all can take down right now. One, our website, www.jmorrisonacademy.com. Many of you got flyers with that website. If you get lost in the sauce, our team is standing by. We'll be standing by all weekend. You can call us, 1-844-JOIN-JMA, for free. You can call us for free. Now I'm going to add a little more bonus on top of all of that. For anybody that signs up by tomorrow midnight, anybody that locks in on any path by tomorrow midnight, you will instantly enter an opportunity to win $10,000 cash, 90 days one-on-one coaching with me, free credit repair, and access to $250,000 of business funding. Yeah, I'm about that bag. What's up? Who rocking with me? I told you how much. I just told you. Where was you at? He playing. She's like, nah, King, you ain't even about that action. So for anybody that taps in by tomorrow midnight, you get just instantly enter a random contest to get $10,000 cash, 90 days one-on-one coaching, credit repair, and access to the $250,000. But outside that bonus, this is worth it for your family in real life. For any tier, I don't care where you come in at, tap in. If you're already in the RBC, you are automatically eligible for this contest. For RBC students, if you're in a previous J. Morrison Academy program, it does not count. This is for our RBC curriculum. You must upgrade. Upgrade yourself. But again, I do this though to be able to present an opportunity to us that no one ever did for us. We haven't had a school to teach us real estate, business, and credit. This ain't real estate agent school. I ain't teaching you how to be an agent. Not to get a commission from somebody else. I'm showing you how to be an owner, to be part of the asset class and build legacy for your family.